Josh here, and welcome to Midnite Tech. And today we're going to review the Amazfit Neo. So really interesting device, and you know, still remember childhood days when the Casio was all the buzz, right? Wearing a Casio wristwatch. So this is a fantastic throwback to the Casio vintage kind of watches. Picture of a classic vintage Casio watch. There's some tear away section. This goes away, and voila, it's so easy to unbox. And there you go. Wow, that's exciting. Here we are, the charger, I think it is. USB charger. Right. Right now, it's ready to pair with my smartphone. Yes, there it is. It's found the Amazfit Neo. Wow, that's great. So select pairs in. It's got this very nice digital sound, right? So it's goodbye T-Rex for now. And hello Amazfit Neo. So this is up close. There you go. So I'm gonna put it on my wrist. Very nice and comfortable. You can see it's very retro-like. And the options, you get to scroll through it. Steps, heart rate, and let's say if I were to choose, and as you can see, I've already walked since I put this watch 43 steps. Step counter, calories burned, and here you got this old classic stopwatch. This is really nice. So you start it, stop, you reset. So here's the heart rate sensor. Okay, so let's try some notifications. Icon here telling you whether it's a call or a text. So here you can see the weather, very nice, and calories burned, distance traveled, number of steps, battery life. So all this just lights up now, your heart rate, right? So using it for, you know, for this past month or so, off and on, yeah. So I still rotate between my regular T-Rex, Amazfit T-Rex, and this guy here. The battery life is outstanding because it doesn't do too much. So very simple display. But what I like about this is you just want to strap on it, you know, for just a casual when you go out, you know, just for a casual wear. So at the end of it, what I love about this is that it keeps you with your digital lifestyle but doesn't overwhelm you like the other smartwatches with all the notifications and all the features. You really have so much focus on your smartphones and tablet, and it's just bombardment of digital every day. So if you're those who rely on your watch to give you your notifications on your wrist, that you can answer them, you can answer calls, this is not for you. For those who want a bit more than a fitness band, this could be potentially your replacement. Those who want just a secondary watch, just to wear, you know, casually, I would recommend this. Doesn't burn a hole in your pocket, and the fourth kind of user for those people who, you know, really a sucker for all things retro looking. Yeah, get this guy. Right, so up to the next one. This is D Josh from Midnite. See ya.